Alright. Putting the tension release and presser foot lifter on is a help because it holds this bracket open here, and then we can get our still didn't catch that tab in there. What is the thing that I'm doing wrong with this? Let's finish putting the head back together. You get that on, and then we'll double check our tensioner in a second. Let's see, I've got everything in there. So what I've got left is to put the head back on this machine. Needle bar clamp. Yeah, I think it's time to stick the head on this machine again. Just trying to double check because I don't want to fiddle around putting the head on and discover that I got extra parts. Alright, I'm going to pop the head back on. We did this before with that family rotary. That was an older style, so it had its both of its screws were from the back, and this machine is newer and stylish, so it's got a screw coming in from the front and one from the back. But our first job is to get our crank installed on our needle bar. And I'm gonna let's see, hang this on here and then peer in. Gonna get our take-up arm through the slot, and then I'm just looking at there. I got that to slip right in place, and now we're gonna put our top screw in on the front here. That's started, and then we've got our screw that goes on the inside here, and we're gonna start that. And now with this head in place but not, you know, tightened down, we turn the machine and it runs properly. So now we need a needle. A nice straight new needle. And we're going to put our okay. So I figured out this set screw here is because there's the two bolts here. This set screw pushes the bottom part of the head out. There. So I just dialed that set screw in until the needle was centered in the hole, and now I just have to pull the head back a little bit. And I finger tightened both of these, and now I'm peering very carefully at the needle, lowering it into the hole and checking that it is centered in both locations. And now that I'm certain it's centered, I'm going to take and snug that bolt and grab my there. Now that that's snugged up, we'll test run our needle into the hole again, and we are on center for the hole. And now we gotta put our presser foot in place. And our presser foot lines up over the hole, and our needle goes in and out without striking. So, said this is a little slightly different from the family rotary because it's got 1, 2, 3 screws to make the adjustment, but it's the same. Otherwise, just centering the hole on your straight stitch pinhole. Okay, continuing our reassembly, I'm going to put the stitch length panel back on. And I think okay, I'm trying to make a plan to be able to fish these control spots out into the holes for putting the knobs back on. But first we'll put our control panel back in. Thread our central stitch control. And then our lovely indicators that go on the outside of our cute little knobs. There we go. I got that one to thread in. So we can, and then okay. Okay, we'll do that to keep this one in place. Let's go fishing for it. So get our knob and our indicator in set up. Fish gently inside. There we go. So the stoppers on here are separate for short and long stitch on forward and reverse, which is very... So for forward stitch, you can set it to short, or I will set this machine for long, and then this lever will move as much as possible for when we're testing it. We need to get our bobbin winder back in place. And I think, yeah, I don't think there's a way for me to fold this the wrong way around, so just Okay. And then we'll have to adjust this bobbin winding piece when we get that far. Alright. There we go. We'll need to get our we need to get our motor in order, and then should be set. Oh, I need to put these other knobs on too. Because this plastic was threaded on here and it's old, make sure that you find the threads that were carved in the first time that it was assembled, because you don't want to rethread this old plastic. There we go.